Hi, welcome to Koopa's surprise birthday.
Yay!
And what's your name? Brianna. What's your name? Bullshit. What's your name? Broccoli. And what's your name? Cat. Hi.
Angel!
I think she's coming, guys.
Uh-oh.
Turn off all the lights. Surprise! Yay! Yay! Yeah. Oh! Yay! Oh! Happy adoption anniversary, Koopa. Give me a kiss. Oh, good boy. Say bye. You want to thank anyone? Koopa, sit. Want to thank everyone?
Well, I'd like to thank my mom and my dad for giving me this birthday, and there's my sister Brianna, and Brianna likes to get all the attention, and yeah, I like to thank my dad also, and goodbye everybody.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye.